Hey nerds, it's Pam coming to you from Stationery Nerd. Next step in this travel journal is I need some binder clips. I've got them all stored in a jar right here. Grab 4 of them. And then I'm going to find the center of this book and make sure that everything is lined up perfectly. So I'm going to start with the inside. Everything is lined up on the spine, and then attach it here to the spine of the cover, and then clip, clip, clip. Okay, and now we're going to punch a hole. I have the crocodile puncher. I'm sorry, my phone's a little close to the things here, so... Alright, but basically what it does is it's a big punch, and it punches a hole down through several sheets of paper. So I should probably measure. Hold on. Okay, this is where I have screwed up my footage and I did not record where I punched the holes. But basically, I punched 5 holes, 1 in the center and then 1 at each end about a ½ inch from the edge, and then 1 in the middle of those 3 punches. And then I'm just using some beading cord to sew the binding here, and then secure it on the inside with a knot that will keep everything together. Trim off the edges of that cord, and then you're ready to check out your handiwork. Next, I'm going to show you how to trim off this edge so that it's nice and flush. See you in the next one.